Do you know the answer? Why is one man sad, another man is happy? One man is joyous and prosperous, another man is poor and miserable. One man is outstanding speaker and massively popular, another man is mediocre and unpopular. One man is full of fear and anxiety, another man is full of faith and confidence. I'll help you to get all the answers here. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming here in the series of Power of Subconscious Mind Part 1. Today we are going to learn 3 things in this chapter. The first one is to connect with infinite intelligence of your subconscious mind. Second is duality of your mind. The third one is the interaction between the conscious and the subconscious mind. Infinite riches are all around you. If you will open your mental eyes and behold the treasure house of infinity within you, there is a gold mine within you from which you can extract everything you need to live your life gloriously and joyously. Many people sound asleep because they don't know the treasure of their mind. Remember, you can get whatever you want. A magnetized piece of steel will lift 12 times more of its own weight, but if you demagnetize of the same piece of steel, it will not even lift a feather. Similarly, there are 2 types of man. There is the magnetized man who is full of faith and confidence. He knows that he is born with full of confidence and faith. He knows that he is born to win and success. On the other hand, there is the type of man who is demagnetized, who is full of fear and doubt. When opportunity comes, he says, I might fail, I might lose my money, people will laugh at me. These people will not get far in their life because if he is afraid of go forward, he will stay where he is. So become the magnetized man and discover the master of secret ages. Now, what is the master secret? Where one can find it and how can it be contacted and brought into action? The answer is extraordinary simple. The secret of marvelous miracle working power found in your own subconscious mind. You can bring into your life more health, more power, more wealth, more happiness, more joy by contacting and release the hidden power of your subconscious mind. You don't need to acquire this power, you already possess it, but you just need to learn how to use and understand so that you will able to apply all this power in all area of your life. As you keep watching the series of this power of subconscious mind, you can gain necessary knowledge and understanding to access the power of infinite wisdom. Your subconscious mind is a principle and it works according to the law of belief, and you must know what belief is and why it works and how it works. The law of your mind is the law of belief. This means to believe in the way your mind works, to believe in belief itself. The law of your belief is the thought of your mind. That's it, simple. All the experience, condition, events and acts are the reaction of your subconscious mind to your thought. Remember, it is not the thing believed in, but belief in your own subconscious mind which brings the result. Your prayer is answered according to the law of reaction. Stay with me, you are about to hear the most essential part of this chapter, duality of your mind and the interaction between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. You have a one mind, but it has a 2 distinctive characteristics, conscious mind and subconscious mind. An excellent way to get understand with the 2 function of your mind is to look upon your mind as a garden. You are a gardener and you are planting a seed which is actually a thought in your subconscious mind all day long. So based on your habitual thinking, as you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body and environment. Hey guys, don't forget to watch the second part of this power of subconscious mind, because you are going to learn the duality of your mind and the interaction between conscious and the subconscious mind. I haven't shared the whole insight here because it would have been too long, and I believe that the people don't prefer to watch the long video, so that's the reason, and you will find the link below in the description. I hope you have learned so many incredible things from this video. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified by the new video as soon as I launch. Please press the like button and share your thought in the comment below. See you soon.